Still not ranking on page number 1? Helium 10 fixes that. I'll show you in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So you can see one of our clients' listings right here, and we utilized Helium 10 to find new keywords such as seen on Shark Tank, which helped spike sales and all ages to show that this straw is for all ages, not just kids, not just adults. And then we also optimized their bullet points. You can see their bullet points has tons of great keywords in here that's helping them rank. Like, is it dishwasher safe? Tons of questions, right? And we put that it is. And this really helped our client increase their sales. I'm going to be showing you it in Helium 10. So first thing you're going to do is look at your listing. So we're going to say this is our listing right here, and how do we improve our sales? We're going to go into Helium 10. There is a free trial in the description, and there's a discount if you do decide to buy it. But what you're going to do is log into Helium 10, and you're going to check out your rank. What is your keyword rank on Helium 10? Go to Tools, go to Cerebro, get your ASIN, put it into Cerebro, and it's going to tell you what your keyword rank is on Amazon. And right now it is 662. Now I'm going to be honest, anything below 800 is considered bad. If you don't know your listing rank, you need to figure it out. So this one's 662. We need to get this to at least 800, which is the minimum in our professional opinion. And we're going to look at our top competitors. So we can actually look at Helium 10, and it's going to tell us the sales data of our top competitors, right? So we can see right here, the top competitor is making $26,000 a month, while we're only making $648 a month. So we're going to take their ASIN right here, and we're going to put it in and see, we're only ranking 662. That means we're only showing up 662 times on Amazon. And we're going to put in our competitor, and we're going to see, okay, how is our competitor generating so many sales? Is it their keywords? What's going on? And we're looking at it, and they're showing up 2,000 times. I said the minimum's 800. Ours is 600. The competitor is 2,482. That means they're showing up 2,482 times, which is like 4x. It's 4x ours. 4 times as much as ours. No wonder why they're generating so many sales. So what we can do is export the data and see what keywords are they ranking for. What keywords can we put in our listing that's good in their listing, right? Or that they're ranking for. So we can get that CSV file. And then once we open that CSV file, it's going to look something like this. So it's going to have a ton of data on what there is to look at, what keywords they're ranking for. But all we're going to do is filter the report just to show A, B, D, and X. So A, B, I'm going to hide C, D, and we're going to go all the way to X. Okay? And now we can see what keywords, let's showcase this. It shows what keywords they're showing up for. And it shows their organic rank. Number 1 means if we type this into Amazon, organically, they're showing up number 1. And we're about to test that to make sure the tool actually works. So I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to go to incognito mode. And I'm going to go to Amazon and be like, hey, I'm shopping on Amazon, B2UE, PT. And I'm going to go to home, and then I'm going to get this keyword, and it's beach bonfire on here. So you can see right here, beach bonfire, they're showing up number 1. Are they really showing up number 1? We're going to double check it. And yes, they are. There they are, number 1. So they're showing up number 1, our competitor. And this tool is accurate. So we can see, okay, what are they showing up number 1 on? And we can see campfire in a can. They generated 6 sales from this keyword. Campfire in a can. I'm going to highlight this yellow, and I want to put this in our title because it has actual data showing that they generated a sale from this keyword. And is ours a campfire in a can? Yes, it is. Does ours say, we don't even have the keyword, we have the keyword can in our description, but this is such a good keyword, you're going to want to add this keyword to your title. Campfire in a can. This exact keyword should be in our title, because this is what our top competitor is using to generate sales. Radiate campfire. Now this is our competitor's trademark, so you cannot add trademarks in your actual title or bullet points. we can run Amazon ads towards it. So anything that's in green, green equals you can run Amazon ads exact match campaign. And then yellow means that we can actually put this in our title or our bullet points or our description or a backend keywords. So I'm just going to put in title, bullet points, description, right? So you can kind of see. And then also backend, BK, backend keywords, right? Behind your A+ content, behind your listing, you can add these keywords. So there we go. There's yellow. And now we're kind of looking for yellow keywords that we can add to our listing. And we should be doing this every 60 to 90 days. So we're kind of looking through beach fire. Beach, that season's coming up. The search volume is increasing, 600 searches. Imagine being seen for free an extra 600 times per month. Can't beat that, especially because people are typing it in. Another radiate portable campfire keyword. We can't do that because it's trademarked. Portable campfire. They generated 10 sales from this keyword, and they're ranking number 3. So they're showing up number 3 for this keyword. We want to stay in the top 30. We don't want to go crazy, go all the way down, but we definitely want to add these keywords. These keywords right here, we want to try to add to our title. We don't want to keyword stuff our title. So at least add one of these keywords into your title. The rest of them we can add into our bullet points, our description, our backend keywords. As long as it's on our listing for at least 60 days, it's going to help us rank. Once we add these to our listing, our title, our bullet points, wait 30 days, come back to Helium 10, and then put in your ASIN, and you're going to see your keyword, your organic rank, and your total keywords go up. And we should be closer to that 800 keyword area, that minimum that I'm telling you we're trying to meet, right? And we can add more keywords too. So it's not just this. City bonfires. This is actually a competitor. Again, this is a trademark, but this could be a great way to generate sales. So I'm going to turn this green. And if you want, what we can do is also filter this by search volume. So if you're like, look, I'm just trying to get as many people seeing my listing as possible, we can go search volume, largest, smallest, right? But we want to make sure they're ranking for it. So we want to make sure our competitors ranking for it. So I'm just going to do the top 10. And we can see these are the highest keywords they're ranking for, top 10 on Amazon. They're organic rank number 1, but this is the highest search volume. So if we want to show up for high search volume keywords, fire can, they generated 5 sales. Ammo can fire pit, I've never heard of that. I don't think it's trademarked, so you just double check. I don't think this one's trademarked, but you can double check if it's trademarked. But these are good keywords to add. So as long as they're relevant to your listing, you're going to add these in. Wait 30 days for you to rank on these. Check your score on Helium 10. It should be improving. And then after 60 days, you're going to cycle these keywords. You're going to go through, find other top competitors. We've got another one right here that's generating 2,000 a month, which is more than our listing, and then add these in as well. So we got this one we can add. We can check out these keywords. What keywords are they ranking for? And add it into our title. We don't even have bullet points, so that's probably why we're not generating sales. We've got Amazon's choice. We've got the best price. We've got the best reviews, but we're not showing up. If we were showing up for these keywords, right, organically, or even via Amazon ads, it's going to be a no-brainer to the customer to choose our listing over theirs. So again, almost nobody does this. Our team does it, so we could do it for you. But every 30 days, you're going to be checking your listing rank and making sure your listing rank is improving. Every 60 to 90 days, you should be looking at your top competitors and switching these keywords up. You should be changing your keywords, optimizing it. Because if you're already ranking page number 1 for beach bonfire, after 60 days, it's kind of locked into Amazon. So you don't have to keep showing beach bonfire in your title. You're already showing up number 1. So you can cycle these keywords and rank for higher and higher. That's how our competitors got to 2,000 keywords. They don't have 2,000 keywords in their listing, but they're ranking for that many. So this is going to help you improve your Amazon sales. But that's it for today's video. What's the biggest challenge you face when optimizing your listings? Drop a comment below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video like listing optimization or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our #1 services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like optimizing your listing or calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. We can do it for you so you can save time, money, and of course, increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.